Dear parents and students, on behalf of the leadership team, I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. I hope you have beautiful and meaningful moments with your families during the break and bring the positive energy for semester 2 to school. This week we have some activities that will be run by the elementary and the high school teams. On Monday to Friday from January 9 to 13, 2023, we will have Maths Week for PYP students and teachers. On Friday, January 13, 2023, there will be two activities. First is a 100th Day of School Assembly that will be held in Ciputra Hall from 9:30 to 10:15 a.m. The participants will be PYP A up to PYP 6 students and teachers. The second one is University of Bath Introduction in room D106 from 3 to 3:45 p.m. The participants will be grade 9 to 12 students. On Saturday, January 14, 2023, there will be Ciputra Cup that will be held by the high school OSIS. They will invite other schools to join the event. Good luck to everyone. Finally, we are so excited to have you back to school. Best wishes to all of you in semester 2. Cheers!